Today, I will show you how to fix that something went wrong with the system software error on your PS5 console. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we want to check if our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. The next thing we want to do is we want to troubleshoot and go to settings. In settings, we want to go to network, and on the network, we want to go to settings again. And in settings, now we want to set up internet connection. As you can see, my internet connection is not connected, so I'm going to connect it. And once that's connected, I think we're good to go. We should go back and then we go to test internet connection. Now, what you're interested in is the internet connection and PlayStation Network sign-in. Once we see those are successful, we want to go back and we want to try to delete the application or game that is causing the error. So we go to the application on the game library, we press option, and then we delete the application. Once that application is deleted, we can go ahead and reinstall them. So if it's a game, we reinstall it. But if that doesn't work, just restart your console, and then restarting it should fix the error. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.